In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to n8n. By the end, you'll have a clear, working connection so you can trigger automated workflows from events inside Microsoft Teams. First, head to n8n. Open your n8n instance in the browser. Whether you're using the cloud version or a self-hosted setup, make sure you're signed in with an account that can create and manage workflows. Having a stable connection and the correct time zone on your instance helps with triggers that rely on real-time events. Next, click on Create Workflow. This opens a fresh canvas where your automation will live. It's a good idea to give your workflow a clear name right away so you recognize it later, especially if you plan to build multiple Teams-related automations. Now, click Add. This brings up the node selector, which is where you choose what your workflow should do. In this case, we want it to begin whenever something happens in Microsoft Teams. Search for Microsoft, then choose the trigger. In the search bar, type Microsoft and look for the Microsoft Teams trigger node. Triggers start the workflow automatically when a specific event occurs, like an approval being created or a submission being updated. Selecting the trigger ensures your workflow reacts in real time instead of waiting for manual execution. Then connect your account. In the credentials section of the node, choose to add new credentials and follow the sign-in prompt. You'll be redirected to Microsoft's secure login. Approve the requested permissions so n8n can read the events you want to automate. If your organization has admin controls, you may need tenant approval for the first connection. After approval, n8n will store these credentials securely for reuse in other workflows. Then set the approval. In the triggers configuration, choose the approval-related event you want to listen for. This typically means selecting the appropriate approval scope or event type so the trigger fires only when approvals you care about are created or updated. Keep the configuration as specific as possible to avoid unnecessary runs. Finally, select the team and form from the menu. Use the drop-downs to pick the exact team where the approval activity lives. Then choose the form associated with that approval process. Matching the correct team and form ensures the trigger is pointed at the right place and won't miss events or capture noise from other spaces. That's it. Your workflow is now listening for Microsoft Teams approval activity in the team and form you selected. Save your work, and you're ready to build the next steps of your automation.